Hello guys, welcome to Cody. Today we are going to solve the problem farthest element from zero. This is the mostly and frequently asked interview question, and generally it will be asked in the coding challenge or programming round. So we'll go through the question. Write a program to print the farthest element from zero. Number with highest absolute value, negative or positive. If there are multiple elements, print the number with lesser value. Okay. So we need to identify the farthest element based on the zero. So for example, consider input for the array size I will give at 7. So consider these are the array elements: -7, -9, 5, 3, 1, 2, 9. So here farthest element from 0 is -9. Okay, and one more example, for the array size of 9, array elements are like -7, -9, 5, 3, 1, 2, 9, 10, 15. So what will be the output is 15, because 15 is farthest from the 0. So we'll solve this program. So I have class ready with the main method. So first we need to have the scanner object, means we need to take the input from the user. So I will create scanner esc is equal to new scanner system.in. Okay, now I need to import this package, so I need to press Ctrl Shift O, so it will import automatically. So now I got this scanner object. Now I need to take the input from the user. So before that I need one statement by asking the better GUI. Okay, I will ask from the user, enter the number element. Okay, so now I need one size variable, or like n, like I will store this value sc dot next int. So since I am accepting the number, so after that now I need to accept the array from the user. So enter array elements. Okay, I can put slash n here. So control will go to next line. For I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. You can write in advanced way also. So for simple problem, if it is necessary we can. Okay, now we need to take an array as an input. So I need to declare array outside. So it's of integer array. So I will give my array name as array, and I will define my array size with, consider 10, or I can give it 10 to 20 also. So I will declare around 50. So there is no or like this is the maximum size we are mentioning. So there is no need of I need to enter 50 elements. So now I will fill this array. So array of I means each position I need to store the user input value. So I need to take via sc dot next int. So this is also integer, so it will be stored in array ith position. So now I will need to show the answer to the user. So So now I put the elements. I should display the farthest element from 0 is, so now I need to find out that farthest element. So I can call one method from my side. So like before that I need to create a method. Like I can create a static method. Instead of public static int farthest from 0, or because I already have the method, main method with the same name, so I will give it element farthest element from 0. So I need to take the parameter as number and the integer array. This is nothing but whichever the input array I am taking from the user. So I need to call this method inside here. So if you see the parameters, n is my array size and the array. Okay, now we'll solve this problem now. So it is expecting one return statement. So we'll write the main logic here. This is logic is very important. So we'll go for the logic. So first of all I need tree set. Okay, tree set generally we will create with integer or in. Okay, I will create with integer. So consider my tree set name will be ts is equal to new tree set. Okay, now I need to write the for loop, because now whatever the array elements I will get as an input, I need to put into the my tree set. So int I equal to 0 less than dot size, means since we are using array we need to use length I plus plus. So nothing, we need to just add into my trace, our trace set. Okay, ARR of I will be stored in trace set, means each element will be stored in our trace set. Okay, after that what we need to find out is we need to find out minimum and maximum value. So in maximum value, so equal to ts dot last. Why we use the tree set is that the purpose is same. So tree set it will provide us like navigation to the elements, like we can identify the first and last elements easily. So that is the purpose we have used the tree set. And min value, so min value equal to ts dot, so obviously it will be first. Okay, now I got the min and maximum value from my array, which is converted into tree set. So now I need to return the result to the main method. So as per the question, we need to return farthest value from the 0, means absolute value. So you guys have heard like there is math class in Java, so which will provide this mathematical computations. So there is one method called absolute, math dot absolute. So here we need to find out minimum value, and if it is greater than or equal to maximum value, we need to return minimum value. Okay, so in other cases we need to return maximum value. Okay, now logic is ready. So here we are getting one suggestion. So we can surround with this try with resources, because this try with resources will take care of closing the connections. Means scanner, we are using scanner class. So it is, we need to, after utilization of scanner class, whatever the connection is there, no, we need to close that. So that's the purpose we are using scanner class. So with the latest Java feature, we can use the surround with try with resources. So here we may notice, we no need to explicitly close the scanner connection, means sc dot close, we no need to write. So that's the purpose. So we'll go for the problem solving. So run as Java application. Okay, it is asking my for the input. So we'll give the whatever the example given in the question only. So consider my array size is 7. Okay, I will give the array size itself 7. Okay, now system is asking the enter the number of elements. Okay, I will enter the number of elements. -7, -9, 5, 3, 1, 2, 9. -7, -9, 5, 3, 1, 2, 9. So according to the logic, farthest element from 0 is -9. Okay, we'll see. So we got the result, farthest element from 0 is -9. So it is satisfying. So let me clear this console and we'll run once again. So we can check for the another input which is provided in the question. So array size is 9. So we'll enter number of elements 9. Okay, now we'll enter the array elements. So what is the array elements? -7, -9, 5, 3, 1, 2, 9. Okay, -7, -9, 5, 3, 1, 2, 9. -7, -9, 5, 3, 1, 2, 9, 10 and 15. Okay, 10 and 15. So what is the result is farthest element from 0 is 15. So we'll check the result. So output is 15. So that's it. Thank you guys, and please subscribe for the more videos.